I'm getting ready to vacuum the bed. I've been on YouTube and I saw, like, my son likes to watch vacuum stuff, okay? I don't know why, because he's a boy, I guess. And so I ran into all these videos where people are vacuuming their bed because of the dead skin cells that get in to their mattress. And there's no other way to get it out, I guess, unless you, like, take your mattress outside and wash it, which I can't do because it's too heavy for me. And yeah, so I'm gonna vacuum my bed, and then we'll see if skin cells get into the little container, you know. So here we go. I just emptied it, so. Okay, so I just got it down from the bed. And look at that. It does get skin cells and stuff. That's gross. It's not a lot. Well, actually, that would be a lot if you ask me.
Yeah.
So now, we're going to be vacuuming our beds. Right?
Mhm. I can't believe that your skin just
falls off. That's what dust is. It looks like dust.
I know.
Because your skin is made of living tissue.
That's right. And all the dust around your house is 90% skin, right? Or 80% skin.
Does this match?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
Okay, go brush your hair,
what
guys.
About this? I'm going to brush my hair.
Okay, then put yours in a headband. You need to brush your hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look. Your bed actually looks
nice.
Clean. It does. Look kind of clean.
Yeah, it actually looks fluffier and cleaner. So this is where I'm at on the hat. It looks like it has a brim around it, which is actually pretty cute if you want to put it on a younger baby than my son. A little, like, sun hat, I guess you could say. And the purple's coming out more in the camera than it is in my view, but that's fine. I like it. So let's go try it on him. Okay, so here's his hat. And he's playing in the sink. Bobby, let Mama see. Bubba, let Mama see. Look at Mama's face. Oh, so cute. I can make a wider brim, I think. I'll do that. Make a wider brim around. And then
Get it too.
it would be a sun hat.
Get it too.
Yeah.
Doesn't get it.
Thank you.
Doesn't get it. Doesn't.
Yeah. So we're in Rory's room. We're going to vacuum their bed. They have a way better mattress than I do. It's like fluffy, buffy mattress.
And it doesn't have many springs.
Yeah.
And you can't jump on it very much.
This is her plant. She loves plants. So she's growing this plant. Those are Samira's new shoes we got yesterday.
From the mall.
Yeah.
In the mall store.
This is her purple hearts.
Yeah.
And this is a what do you call it? It's a succulent. I don't know the name of it, but it makes white and pink flowers.
Oh, remember you growed it?
And that's her tree.
In the rose garden.
So
like poison ivy.
That's her little glass elephant, and that's her marshmallow she made out of clay. So we're going to vacuum the bed now. And this is our little Easter corner. Easter rabbit. Easter eggs. We're going to take Easter pictures today.
Yeah, and that's my cat.
And this is her little dolphin corner. Little dolphin stuff.
Oh.
So we're cleaning right now. Samira, you need to take this to the kitchen, please. It's Reese's.
Well, it has two.
Oh, look. We're going to use this Easter basket. So I need to figure out where to put all these beads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom, how much for days until Easter? Because I'm really happy.
A couple weeks, next month. So here, put this in the kitchen. We're right here. Take this to the kitchen. Thank you. So, let's start vacuuming the bed. Beep beep. And then I'm gonna put new sheets on. We just washed this one actually outside with bleach a month ago. So, I didn't empty it because I thought it'd be stupid to empty it for just, little bitty stuff. But, it's still, I don't know if it really picked up anything because we just washed it. I heard, crumbs from the girls, but we just washed it with bleach and let it sit outside for a couple days, like a month ago, so probably didn't really have anything in it. But just anyways.
Yeah.
And I got laundry to do. Let me finish putting the sheets on, and then we need to start school.
Yeah.
What you got, Bubby? We're going to do Easter pictures here in a little bit, aren't we? Yes. We're going to go in the backyard and take some Easter pictures. Aren't we, Buppity? You look so handsome. My handsome guy. Girls are getting ready. No, we're going to take that in the backyard. Yeah, the camera. Oh, got it this way. Where did you want to use this umbrella? You can't play with this one.
No, he says he wants to give it to me.
Guys, I just cleaned this bed. What the heck's going on in here?
I'm trying to find my chopstick. Please get the lipstick pad off, please.
Oh, is that why it was on the bed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh-oh, someone's getting cranky. Yeah, what are we doing? So we just got done taking pictures. Does he look so handsome? A handsome guy? We're just going to take a picture with Duchess. Ouch. Where you get your iPhone? Oh, seriously, Aurora? Come on, Bubby. Airplane. Okay, let's see. Ready? Samira, no, not right now, baby. Ready? Duchess! Okay, I got it. So we used all our rabbits and Easter. Samira, put that down for a second. Okay, move that way for a second, please. Okay, ready? Got it. They do a different one. Your face looks funny. Okay, let's try a different one. That's weird. Okay, just look somewhere else. Look at Duchess. Yeah, just look at Duchess.
Look at me.
There we go. Okay. She looks funny. You guys are just funny.